Meet Bill. He's trying to set up a meeting, and he's having no luck getting everyone to agree on a date, time, and place. Bill's friend Fred is having the same problem, and he's at his wit's end. Bill's friend James is not looking forward to trying to set up the meeting his boss Mark asked for. James' boss Mark suggested he ask Lindsay about a new tool she's using to schedule meetings. Lindsay tells James about Schedule. It sounds way too easy. You just pick the people and Schedule finds the best date, time, and place. James joins Schedule and creates an event card inviting the meeting participants after Schedule shows him the best date, time, and place for everyone involved. That was easy. Sherry responds to the invitation in Schedule. Larry responds to the invitation in Schedule. Phil responds to the invitation in Schedule. And Debbie responds to the invitation in Schedule. The meeting happens and James is a happy camper. By the way, his boss Mark is happy too. James thanks Lindsay for introducing him to Schedule. Meantime, Bill is still trying to manage the email ping pong, trying to find a date and time for his meeting, and he's about ready to give up when James calls him. James tells Bill how easy it was to get his meeting arranged using Schedule, so Bill's happy. Remember Bill's friend Fred? He's totally given up. Somebody needs to tell him about Schedule.